Pool Corners Vacuum Hack. I put together this video to share a method that I found successful to vacuum the small debris and dirt that settles in the corner of the bottom of my pool. If you've ever used one of these bit larger vacuum heads, you've found that as you move it around, it knocks dirt loose and later settles back in the corners or in the bottom of your pool, and you feel the need to vacuum again. There's a much more effective method out there, just taking that hose and attaching it to the end of your pole. I figured this out and did it with duct tape. And then I also later found a video by JK18 on easily vacuuming your pool with pinpoint accuracy, and this method is great. It's entirely effective. The one issue that concerned me about this method, though, is when you get full suction on the bottom of your pool with that hose, and if you have a vinyl liner like me, does it cause stress to the liner and are you potentially at risk of damaging your liner? So I looked out there for another device, and I found this small vacuum hose end for pools and spas, and it's great, except for the bristles knock the dirt loose and the holes are too small and you don't really get that much great suction. So by drilling a hole in the bottom and cutting off those bristles, obvious answer to me, I was able to clear this up and really make it available for vacuuming. And you can see in the background here, that's my pool, and I have the type of pool where dirt seems to settle in the corners. I know some pools it kind of spreads around. I think many of you have that same problem. So take this altered device and connect it to your pole, and then take the vacuum hose and connect this, and this would be standard with any type of pool vacuuming tool that you add to your pole and your vacuum hose, and you're good to go. Okay, here I am vacuuming the pool. As I move it from the left to the right, the debris on the left is no longer there. I'll just speed this up so you can see me vacuum the rest of the pool. That's it, everyone. Thank you for watching the Pool Corners vacuum hack. I hope you find this useful. Have a good day.